Okay, guys, we're going to keep on going with this song we got going, Say the Name. And I hope you got the concepts in the last video. We're going to power on through. We're going to keep going and show you a couple more things in the song that are useful concepts that you can use elsewhere. So we talked in the last video about making the target of your 2-5-1 the 4 chord. That can calm your fears and drown your tears and drive away the shame. Alright, so let's go back to the top. And we talked about that minor 4. That works because when you're in E flat, the A flat is your minor, is your 4. This is your minor 4 chord. You have this resolution down that works really nice. You add this one note on top, that F, and the whole thing resolves down to the E flat because half steps here and this whole step here. When you hit that thing, you can, let's hit that right quick. You can play any number of cool little licks that involve the minor third, which will be, in this case, the B natural of that chord. So if you just take it from the top. And you can do any kind of lick. Just use that lower third note there in that minor 4 chord. And of course you wind up with these 3 notes here. These 2 notes are the 3rd and the 7th of a D flat chord. So if you take that example that we took from those chords where we're cycling, you can construct this all the way up from the 7 to the 3 to the 6 to the 2-5-1 of the D flat, and you can just play this chord all the way out like this open-handed style. Say the name of Jesus, say the name. And you get that same whole step movement that we talked about on the other ones. Alright, so right there in that part of the song, it's going to go to the 6. And we're going to show you a cool thing you can do to the 6. The 6 in this case will be C. It's C minor, and we're going to show you how you lower this 7th of the C minor to start a cycle going all the way to A flat. So here's how it works. Take it from the top. Alright, so you wind up on the 4 right there. So if you take it from the top, this is something cool that I do or I try to do on almost every minor chord. If you stay on it for any length of time, take your C minor and lower the bottom root by a half step at a time. And when you lower it down to the last step, jump your root by a 4th. Oh Jesus, say the name. So you'll just lower it down. Oh Jesus. And when you hit this A, you'll have these 2, which is the 3rd and 7th of your next chord in the cycle, C up to F. So just go ahead and then you're headed to then you'll say the name. And then it'll go so special and on and on and on. Instead of just hitting that one passing note with the B flat, do the same thing we talked about earlier and do it a quick half step. Alright, so that's the concept. We're going from C, we're going to cycle in 4ths all the way to the A flat, and we're going to use these open-handed chords to get all the way there, and we'll show you. I'll show you what I mean. Let's play it from the top. Alright, so there you are in the full chord, and you go on from there. Now from there it's going to go to the bridge, where it's got this part that says Jesus, and it's this cool little vamp section. We're going to show you how you can use this cycle again. And all these things, the slide steps that we've been showing, and all in the previous tutorial, you can apply them here in this section, and the combinations that you can use on this stuff are just absolutely endless when you take into account the slides, and you can do a tritone substitution, and you can do the slide on the tritone substitution. The possibilities are endless, so just let your mind, just imagine, whatever you want to do there. So if you know the song, you'll know it. We're going to this bridge section. Jesus, 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 mess up a little bit there, but you get the point. You can do any combination of these slides. You can go C to F natural. You can go C to this B7th chord and do these steps down to your B flat minor. Then you can make it a straight E flat chord if you want to. Make it an A major with these steps. Make it an E flat, just like this, or just whatever your mind can come up with. It's a straight cycle from C to F to B flat to E flat, making the A flat your target. So that's what we have here for this one. Use this minor step down anywhere you have a long minor chord. You can use this and cycle it up by a fourth. And it'll be cool. Just if you're in C, and you're on the 2 minor, just take it to the 5 and wind it up on the 1. If you're in the 6, say you're in G. Let the worshipers arise. You can just take it down. Let the sons and the daughters sing. I'm surrendering my all. And so you can just take that down, just drop that half step down 2 or 3 times, and it's a cool little dissonant note that you can use just to add some flavor while you're sitting there hanging on a minor chord. So I hope that was good. I hope you like it. We're going to go on to some more difficult concepts in the next video. Come back for more. Thanks.